students, welcome to 8th Standard Scholarship class of 3rd Language English in paper number 2 for Marathi medium students. In previous video, we learned how to find out the word with given clue. Today, we will learn about writing contextual meaning of the word. For this, you need some tools for study. First, collection of words with contextual meaning. Relevant and sufficient vocabulary. You should have ample collection of words from the textbook of at least 5th standard to 8th standard. Okay? For this, let's take some examples. First example, read with me. Saily's mother did not console her after she had bruise to her knee. Choose the correct contextual meaning of the word console. Now read the options. The first, comfort. Second, to become angry. Third, to be nervous. Fourth, a type of equipment that used to support TV or stereo. Okay. Now there are two meanings of console. When it is noun, its meaning is a type of equipment used to support something. When it is verb, its meaning is to show sympathy or comfort. So here in this sentence, the correct meaning of console is comfort. The option number 1. Okay. Now, next example. I need to clean the muck off my shirt. Choose the correct contextual meaning of the underlined word. What are the options? First, to do a dirty job. Second, to manure. Third, wet mud or dirt. And fourth, slope. Now, see here. In first option, to do is the verb. At first, you should keep attention that the underlined word is noun, so your answer should be also noun. In first option, what is given? To do. That is verb. So it is not correct answer. In second option, to manure means to cultivate field using fertilizer. Okay. Third option is there, wet mud or dirt, and fourth option is slope. What is the meaning of slope? An area that tend evenly. So the correct answer of this question is third option, wet mud or dirt. Okay. Let's take some other examples. Example number 3. Read with me. Choose the correct meaning of underlined word in given sentence. The trunk of banyan tree is the home of some birds. What are the options? An elephant's nose, first option. Second, a part of body. Third, a big box. Fourth, a part of tree. Now here in the question, it is obviously given there, trunk is the home of bird. So the answer is a part of tree. Trunk means a part of tree here. Now read another example. The emperor himself summoned Saint Haridas to sing. Choose the correct contextual meaning of the underlined word. Read the options. To order, to deliver the thing. Second, to call in the court. Third, to send someone. Fourth, to give call the people. If you will see the meaning of summon in dictionary, all options are correct. But as the reference of 8th standard English book from lesson number the songs of song, the correct meaning of summon is to call in the court. So the answer is second option, to call in the court. Let's take some other examples for practice. Fifth example. PV Sindhu joined the Pulela Gopichand's Academy to further enhance in her sporting skill. Choose the correct meaning of the underlined word. Here are the options. First, to lift something. Second, further improvement. Third, to begin. And fourth is to take the chance. Okay, this example is from the lesson PV Sindhu, an icon of success. Here, option number 3 and 4, they are incorrect meaning. Option number 1 and 2 as reference of dictionary, both are correct. But as the textual meaning, the meaning of enhance is further improvement. So the answer is option number 2, further improvement. Okay students, let's take one other example. Read. Choose the correct meaning of the underlined word. Bihu is the favorite festival of Assam. What are the options given? C. The first, chosen. Second, most liked. Third, not liked. And fourth, cheap. Favorite means the things liked by many people. So here the option, the correct answer is most liked. Option number 2. Okay. Take these all examples in your notebook and do more practice how to find out the contextual meaning of the word in the question. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to Asha EduCamp channel to get exciting educational videos regularly.